Hi everyone, let's do question 10. Match the equation with a graph or graph with the equation. So what I have done here, I have added on the side quadratic forms, 3 different quadratic forms. So the first one is y equal a times brackets x take away h everything to the power of 2 plus k, and this one actually indicates that the graph has horizontal and vertical translation. So the next one is a times brackets x take away h to the power of 2, and this one indicates that this graph only had horizontal translation. It could be to the left or to the right. And the last one, it's y equal to a times brackets x take away alpha, close the brackets, new brackets, x plus beta, close the brackets. And this form actually indicates that the graph is cutting the x-axis twice. Now we can use this information here and then, match the equation with the graph or graph with the equation. So I'm going to actually start with this one here. It does look simple enough. So you can see that the graph is touching x-axis once when x is equal to 2. So which means that this one has only horizontal translation. So the graph has been shifted to the right by 2 units. So and hasn't been moved up or down. So only horizontal translation. So which means I'm looking something like this. So this one here, like in this form, then I'm going to go back and I can see that A is in this form. And I'm just going to check, okay, x take away 2, this is x is equal to, beautiful, it looks like that this one is going to be A. And as well as coefficient here of A is positive 1, and when A is positive, bigger than 0, we do know that the graph is gonna be convex. Convex, A less than 0 is gonna be concave. Concave. So this is the shape, like this and like that. So 1 done, 2 to go. So now let's have a look at the first one, this one here. So it doesn't have any x-intercept, so it's definitely not this one here, the last one. But it does have, it looks like has been shifted horizontally and vertically. So it has been moved horizontally as well as vertically. So the form of interest is actually this one here, the first one there. So, and I'm just gonna check and compare. So A should be, what should be A? A should be positive as the graph is convex. So A is positive, beautiful. So we're just gonna see which one is that. A is positive, yep, this is positive. And then x-intercept should be 2, looking at this one here, it's 2, and then we have negative 2 there, beautiful, plus k, vertical translation has been shifted up by how many units? By 1, so it does look like is B. So I'm going to match this one here and say, yep, that is B. We are left with one more, and there's only one left. We can say this one is C, but again, we're just going to double check. So A, the value of A is negative 2, so it's less than 0. So we're looking for the shape that is concave, so which is this one here. So yep, tick the box, so we do have concave shape. And then looking at translations, it does look has been shifted up and has been shifted to the left 1 unit each. So up by 1, yep, that's the one here, beautiful. And then 1 unit to the left, 1 unit to the left, so that's the one here, beautiful. So this one is matching C. And that would be all for that. Thank you, bye.